Just love this welcome sign. It is a winner. So it is 60 inches tall. Can't wait to put this on my porch. It comes in 2 pieces. Let me just turn it around. And you do have to build it. It literally is 4 screws. Not a big deal at all. It took me about 5 minutes. And once it's together, it's gorgeous. There's a little hook here on the bottom by the O, and that is for the seasonal wreath. It comes with 4 of those interchangeable wreaths, but this is sturdy, it is well made, and it is gorgeous and rustic. I love the wood trim on the top and the wood trim on the bottom. I'm gonna pop this on my porch momentarily, but I do highly recommend this. One final thing to talk about is the height of it. It stands tall at 60 inches, and this is the tallest one that I was able to find at 60 inches. It makes a statement. It is absolutely gorgeous, and I highly recommend it.